Are we in the ideal place? Are we staying in an ideal society? No. But you have to keep fighting for what is right and what is true to you. Maybe it just needs two people to bring about a change. Do we have those two people today? Girls' education, she tried to, both of them, tried to reform the widows of the country.
The last person you speed dial.
My husband Raj.
What's your go-to emoji that you use like
Smile.
frequently?
দক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে.
Hello guys, this is Tanu Awasthi and you're watching me on Filmy Gyan. And today I'm in conversation with a very special guest for the upcoming movie Phule. Let me welcome the gorgeous Patralekha. How are you? You look beautiful, Patralekha.
You are looking so pretty.
Firstly, I would like to take a moment to appreciate, after watching the trailer, honestly, me being, I love historic fiction and biographies personally. और आपने वो जो role किया है, salute to you. Like
Thank you,
I
Tanu.
could really feel it through the screen.
Yeah.
And I just want to ask, जैसे कि Maharashtrians, Indians in general, take a pride about Mahatma Jyotibai Phule and Savitribai Phule.
Phule.
But I want to ask, how was it for you to be in her sari, in her language, in her world?
So, initially it was a little overwhelming because a lot of people had told me, oh, you're going to play her, and not that they were telling these things to scare me, but they wanted me to do well. And of course I was a bit like nervous, but our director Anand sir really he's so calm and he seemed so confident.
Yeah.
He really aced me out, and just seeing his confidence gave me so much confidence.
So,
And while you're shooting, once you begin shoot, these all anxieties happen, fear comes before you shoot, before you start the shoot. But once you're in it, you're not thinking like, oh, I'm playing somebody.
Yeah.
Because the journey started and you are playing her. So you're not nervous then.
yeah, so especially Savitribai Phule, who was a courageous woman, she was a fierce lady. And when you wore a sari or
The
आपने
kashta.
ornaments,
Yeah, it's called a kashta.
if I could ask you to brief me up about the ornaments और उस समय पे कैसे वो पहनावा होता था और आपको कैसा लगा वो पहनावा पहन के?
For an actor, it's very important to have like the right costume.
Yeah.
I really believe this because sometimes what happens, it's not so much internal, it's very external. The process can be external. So every morning, firstly, so I had a fight with Anand sir. I was like, ये काष्ठा मैं कैसे रोज पहनूंगी? It's so difficult.
Yeah.
Anand sir was like, Patralekha, I don't care, आपको पहनना ही पड़े. तुम वो बैटल तुम मैं वहीं पे लूज मैंने कर दिया. फिर आई वाज लाइक अब मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं शूट पे जाऊँगी, इतनी गर्मी होगी, ये काष्ठा कैसे संभालूंगी? इट्स ऑल अगेन फियर, राइट? बट वंस आई स्टार्टेड वेयरिंग इट, आई जस्ट न्यू माई वे अराउंड इट.
Yeah.
So every morning I would go do up my hair and wear that kashta. I would feel like I am a Maharashtrian, a part of the society. It's very strange. It's not so much internal how it affects you from external to internal.
Right.
It just brings you back to where you left yesterday.
So talking about जो कि वो एक social reformers थे, I think कि when we talk about freedom fighters, जितने important हमारे freedom fighters, क्यों ज्योतिबा फुले, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले और सावित्री बाई भी freedom fighters ही थे, but they were the silent warriors, I think. और उनको भी forefront में आना, उनकी story forefront में आना आज के समय was very important. So I want to ask, as we're talking about the Marathi culture, the Maharashtrian culture, was there any difficulty to learn the dialect, the Marathi dialect for you?
No.
Or were you familiar?
No, so Anand sir, of course I am familiar because I've lived in Mumbai for a
Yeah.
very long time. तो मुझे समझ, like I can understand but I cannot speak fluently. But Anand sir and our producers were very sure that they don't want the language. They wanted it fully Hindi speaking. They were of the understanding that we are making a Hindi film. Yes, you can say words here and there,
Right.
but you do not converse in Marathi.
So while you were playing the character, as they fought for the caste discrimination, the
Yeah.
gender inequality,
Yeah.
do you see a
Child
difference?
girl child
Yeah.
education.
So do you see a difference between तब के टाइम में जो आपने, क्योंकि आपने उनका रोल प्ले किया है, यू नो द फीलिंग क्या होगी, क्या शी वेंट थ्रू, तो डू यू सी अ डिफरेंस कि आज की क्वालिटी की जो बैटल चल रही है उसमें और पुराने ज़माने के समय में क्या डिफरेंस होगा आपके हिसाब से?
नहीं देखिए, डिफरेंस तो है. वी आर इन अ बेटर प्लेस. यू एंड आई आर टॉकिंग हियर.
Yeah.
We can speak in English. We have gone to school. We have gotten like equal education like our brothers. So obviously it's way better place to be at. But are we in the ideal place? Are we staying in an ideal society? No. So I think the battle constantly is going to be there, and I feel like Jyotiba and Savitri Bai understood this long before. That it's never going to be perfect, but you have to keep fighting for what is right and what is true to you.
Right. Also, when we talk about these stories, the untold stories of such social reformers,
Yeah.
ये काफ़ी टाइम हमारी हिस्ट्री बुक्स में नहीं मिलती हैं काफ़ी स्टोरीज.
जी.
एक्सटेंडेड स्टोरीज तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं मिलती
नहीं,
हैं.
नहीं,
सो आज की जनरेशन काफ़ी अनअवेयर होती है अबाउट दी स्टोरीज. सो डू यू थिंक कि ये जो मूवी है फुले, ये आज की जनरेशन में क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन लेके आ सकती है? Because every generation, our generation should know about the stories of our social reformers, of our freedom fighters.
Sure, just to understand how far we have come
Yeah.
and how blessed we are. And definitely, I mean, it'll be a great thing if, you know, the youth goes and watches this movie just to understand where it all began from and how difficult it was, and how even, how, you know, maybe it just needs two people to bring about a change. Do we have those two people today? We don't know. But this is a patriotic film about two people who have really fought for the betterment of only the society. They didn't think about themselves. There was no I. I mean, even that's something that we should actually think about today. Like, आज के ज़माने में I don't think so anybody thinks beyond I. You know. So I think that way also, just to understand, like, there are people, they are godlike people, they are gods. They were really gods for me, you know, because they really thought selflessly, and just to see their life, I feel people should go and watch it.
Also, जैसे कि सावित्री बाई की काफ़ी छोटी उम्र में शादी हो गई थी, 9 साल में शी वॉज मैरिड. सो इफ़ आई आस्क कि आपने, क्योंकि सावित्री बाई का रोल किरदार निभाया है, तो आपकी नज़र से अगर मैं पूछूं कि महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले प्रतीक गांधी ने निभाया है, तो अगर मैं पूछूं आपकी नज़र से आप दोनों के बीच में जो बॉन्डिंग थी, जो या सावित्री बाई और ज्योतिबा फुले के बीच में जो बॉन्डिंग थी, तो आप उस चीज़ को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करोगे? थ्रू योर आइज, थ्रू योर लेंस, और थ्रू द लेंस ऑफ सावित्री बाई.
I think they were really good friends. They were best of friends, and I feel like Jyotiba really took care of her, and also he emancipated her and so many women by just imparting education. Savitri Bai's first teacher was actually Jyotiba, who helped her, imparted education, also was shielding her from, you know, people who didn't want her to study. So I feel like they were, how do I say it, they were conjoined twins, I feel.
Okay. Also, as she fought for the girls' education, she also faced many challenges.
Yeah.
जैसे कि उनके ऊपर cow dung, garbage फेंका जाता था.
And only not like about girls' education. She tried to, both of them, you know, tried to reform the widows of the country. They tried to uplift the Shudras. So and when the plague hit the country, when there was famine, they were trying to, you know, locate people in the right areas. So constantly they were doing something or the other for the society.
And if I ask, अगर hypothetically Savitri Bai could hear you, what one thing you would like to say to her is, do you think कि उनका mission is yet accomplished, या उनका mission complete हो चुका है अभी तक? इस जनरेशन में, इस टाइम में, 21st सेंचुरी में, क्या उनका मिशन इज?
आई थिंक वो खुश होंगी हमें देख के. एट लीस्ट द यंग गर्ल्स, शी विल बी प्राउड ऑफ अस. क्या उनका मिशन अकम्प्लिश हो गया? नो. See, but we don't live in ideal society, and there's never going to be an ideal society. But I'm sure she'll be proud of us.
One thing you would like to say to her if you ever want to.
I would say like, "Ma, aap mahan the."
Okay, so Patralekha, I would like to move on to the segments that we have. So we have a quick rapid fire.
Yeah.
So the first one is a co-star you love to work in future with.
A co-star I would like to work in the future. I don't know about a co-star. Yeah? I mean, there's so many talented people. I really want to work with really good directors.
Acha, who would be those directors?
I'd love to work with Vikramaditya Motwane.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you could switch lives with one celeb for a day, who would it be?
One celeb for a day, Meryl Streep.
Okay, if
Like Bollywood.
Yeah, Bollywood.
I think Shah Rukh Khan.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, one film that made you cry like a baby,
Off late.
Yeah.
Ki.
or your go-to movie.
I
that
think
always.
I think Masoom.
Okay. The most famous person in your phone list.
The most famous person on my phone list. I have many famous people on my phone list.
Any, if you want to tell. You think is famous for you.
I don't know. There's so many famous personalities.
Acha, okay. If you could steal a role from any of the movie that you would like to do, which one would it be?
Sadma.
Acha.
Sri Devi is Sadma.
Yeah, okay. So the next segment that we have is the last. So I'm going to
Yeah.
ask everything you have done lately.
Okay.
Okay. So who is the last person you stalked on Instagram?
I have to check, but I don't know who. But I must have stalked somebody.
Was it from Bollywood?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay. The last rumor you heard about yourself?
Rumor? No, I don't care.
No?
No.
Okay. The last person you speed dialed?
My husband Raj.
Okay. What's your go-to emoji that you use like
Smile.
frequently? Smile? Okay. The last thing you searched on Google?
The last thing I searched on Google was what did I search? Oh, about the Maori tribe in New Zealand.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. The last picture you took from your phone?
The last picture I took on my phone. My phone's only not here, but I don't know, of my two little dogs.
Oh. Okay, so the last segment that we have is the hashtag show.
Yeah.
I'm going to name a few of the celebrities and you just
Correct.
need to hashtag. Yeah, SRK,
King. Hashtag King.
Salman Khan,
Hashtag Sultan.
Prateek Gandhi,
Hashtag Mahatma.
Abhay Deol,
Hashtag Dimples.
Deepika Padukone,
Hashtag Beautiful.
Rasha,
Hashtag Uyamma.
oh, Kriti Sanon,
Hashtag Mimi.
Raha,
Cutie. Cutums.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Talented.
Okay, and lastly Rajkumar.
Husband.
Okay. Okay. So I would like to conclude this interview. It was lovely talking to you firstly. And being a history freak, I would like to conclude this interview with my favorite poem. And as I admire Rabindranath Tagore very, very much, I think कि महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले एंड सावित्री बाई से ज़्यादा बेहतरीन एग्जाम्पल उनकी जो पोएम है उनसे बेहतर नहीं हो सकता जो कि है एकला चलो रे. So I would like to just hum it if you want to hum it with me. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে. একলা চলো রে.
Yeah.
Thank you, Patralekha.
So
It was
lovely. You sang so well.
Thank you so much.